So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get paid comfortably from home simply by testing the functionality of different mobile phone apps. A lot of people have been requesting a video like this, so does this exactly work? Well, as you know, there are a lot of different apps out there today, and there's constantly getting more and more apps out there on the market. New apps that are getting released, these companies want to have people testing these apps so they can make the functionalities work better, and that's where you come in, okay? You're gonna test different apps and you're gonna write short reviews for them, what you think about them, and you have to write honest reviews, of course. You couldn't write that everything works perfectly. No, you should say what's good and what's not good about the specific app that you have been trying. So there's a platform or a website for doing this, which I'm gonna show you right now. It's this one. It's called AppCoiner, and I will put the link under the video description like I always do, okay? And they say they need more members from all over the world. You can just enter your name and email below to join and start getting paid to test out the coolest new apps on your phone or tablet. So how does it work? Well, getting paid to test apps with AppCoiner is as simple as 1, 2, 3. You will choose an app to test from their database, and you will test it on your phone or tablet, and then you will write your honest review of the app on their website, AppCoiner website, and then you will get paid. And the more apps you test and the more reviews you write, the more money you will make. Now, there is a small fee to get started with this platform, and it's only because they provide a service and a technology that will help you get paid testing these apps. But don't worry, you will make your money back. So, is it really working? Well, I searched for AppCoiner payment proof on YouTube, and there are a lot of videos and a lot of reviews about this program right here. My AppCoiner payment proof Payoneer. There seems to be a lot of people that are making money with AppCoiner, and I guess it's a good way if you like to try different apps on your phone. It's a very simple thing to do to make some extra money. So why not try it? So that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to get paid testing apps, you will find the link below this video to this website, and you can go there and start today.